Now our teeth are so clean. Right now we're going to make breakfast. Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Lynette Amimo, and on my channel I do storytelling, I do travel vlogs, I do cooking vlog. And so guys, because of this corona, we just have nothing but to do storytelling so that our channel can keep going. So in this new video, I'm going to show you what I eat in 24 hours. And past 6 p.m. I don't eat anything. So stay tuned, enjoy the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So I'm just from showering right now, and I could not start the video before because I went to skipping my rope first and I was really sweating, so I had to take my shower first. Then we go to brushing my teeth. Right now we're going to start by boiling milk and boiling our eggs. And then you just follow the video to the end, and I hope you enjoy. So this is my breakfast: 2 eggs, 1 bread, and apple, and also my peppermint mint tea with lemon inside. So, and right now we're just going to make lunch. We're gonna make meatballs, and we're gonna need minced meat. You're going to need 2 eggs, and then you just stir them and mix well together. It's the simplest way to cook meatballs. Just follow the steps and I hope you enjoy the video. We'll take our onion and then we make them small, we grate them, and then we put it in the mixture. The same way you'll take your potatoes and then you grate them, and after grating them, you have to remove all the liquids from it, and then now you place it in the minced meat inside. After doing everything, you put some oil in the pan, small pan where you're going to use in the oven, like the pot which I'm using here, and then you make some meatballs, and then you'll put in the oven for 45 minutes. 45 minutes, guys. And you also check so that it doesn't get burnt, you know. You have to be observant. So guys, this is my lunch, meatballs and vegetables. And then we have potatoes in the meatball, you know. And also for the Mittagessen, for my lunch, I'm going to drink some mint tea with lemon. You know, with Corona, drinking lemon is so good. For my Abendbrot, I ate one bread and one cheddar cheese. And then I took my mint tea with lemon. And that's it, guys. It was so yummy. And I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any video and get updated whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching.